Today we're going to review part number 56062. This is the Curt T-Connector vehicle wiring harness with the 4-way flat trailer connector. This is a custom fit part. It is designed to fit the 2008 to 2010 Scion XB vehicles. Now on any custom fit part, what I always recommend is to go to our website, use our fit guide, put in your year and model vehicle, and it'll show you if this will work for your application. Now this part provides this 4-way flat trailer connector right here at the back of your vehicle to power your trailer signal lights. It does connect very quickly and easily. Basically you just locate your connection points, which are in the rear cargo area behind the tail lights. Plug in these T connectors, one on each side, ground your white wire, and then run your hot lead to the vehicle's battery for power, and you'll be all ready to go. Now this does include this tail light converter right here, this black box, and this is to ensure that your vehicle's wiring will match that of your trailer. It is a powered module converter, and it'll connect directly to the battery using this power wire, and the reason they do that is it's to avoid overloading your vehicle's electrical system. The converter itself is constructed using the SMT technology, which is surface mount technology. Gives you consistent, reliable performance, and it'll maximize your trailer light yield and intensity while producing minimal heat. It'll also ensure superior operation in any rough road conditions. Now on the 4-way, does include this nice dust cap that you can install onto the plug. Once you install it on there, you could leave it on there if you'd like, but the nice thing about that is when you're not plugged into your trailer, just take your dust cap, put it over the terminals, and that'll protect those terminals from any damage to them or from the elements getting to them also. Few specs on this harness. The maximum amperage for the stop and turn light circuits is 3 amps per circuit, and for the tail light circuit is 6 amps total. Now it does come with everything shown here on the table. I'm going to show you how this all installs. Comes with a nice set of detailed instructions that describe how to install it, and then even gives you nice pictures of where the installation points are. But just basically the way this would install is you go to the rear of your vehicle in the rear cargo area and gain access to behind the tail lights on your vehicle. And what you want to do is start on the driver's side, and you'll take this T connector that has the yellow wire in it and the white wire, and what you'll do is remove the harness from the tail lights, plug this in line between the tail lights and the harness, and then what you want to do is take this white wire that has the eyelet on it and connect that to a good clean ground if there's one nearby. If there isn't, they include a grounding screw that you can drill a hole, make your own ground. And then what you'll do is take this other T connector that has the length of green wire in it, and that's for the passenger side. You'll run this across the vehicle to the passenger side, go gain access behind the taillights, same way plug this T connector in behind the taillights. And then what you want to do, this converter, you don't want it bouncing around, so you want to attach it to a nice flat surface. They do include this double-sided tape to put on the converter to attach it down, and also some extra cable ties if you want to secure it that way also. Now the last wire you have is this black wire, and this is the power wire. This needs to run to the positive post of your vehicle's battery. So they do give you this length of wire to run it up to the vehicle's battery at the front of the vehicle. And you'll take the included butt connector, put it on the power wire, and then connect it to one end of this length of wire. And then with it connected, just run this wire up to the front. Use the extra cable ties to take up any slack. Once you get to the front, you have this other end of wire. You don't want to connect this directly to the battery. You want to run it through this inline fuse holder. So again, you'll take the other butt connector, put it on there, and connect it to one side of the fuse holder. And then with that connected, the other side of the fuse holder is what will connect to the positive post of your battery. So you take the included eyelet connector, attach it, and then connect it to the vehicle's battery. And then what you'll need to do is just open the inline fuse holder, take the included 10 amp fuse, go ahead and install it in the fuse holder, just like that. Go ahead and put your cap on it. And then with those connections all made, you should be able to go back, take your bonded wire right here, run it out to the back of the vehicle, plug it into your trailer, 4-way to 4-way, and it should supply your lights on your trailer. But that should do it for the review on part number 56062. This is the Curt T-Connector vehicle wiring harness with the 4-way flat trailer connector.